Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to force quit any app in MacBook. So if you want to force quit any app in MacBook, so what you have to do, first I am going to open this app, okay, here. And now if I want to close this app, I can click on this. But if it is stuck and it is not closing, so if I want to force quit it, okay, so force quit this app or any other app, okay, so what I have to do, here you will see and Apple icon, okay. Now here you will see force quit option, click on it, and here you will see you can just force quit any of the selected app, okay. So if I want to force quit this Safari app, just click on it and click on force quit, okay. Here you will see, do you want to force quit Safari, so just click on, okay, like this. And like this you can force quit any app in MacBook. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.